Hello, it's Monday, July 9th, 2012, and I'm Tony Christopher with the Daily Outlook from UFX Markets. Wall Street closed the trading week in the red as jobs data heightened concern about a slowing economy, and Europe's efforts to tame its debt crisis disappointed investors. The Nasdaq fell by 1.30%, the Dow Jones lost 0.96% of its value, and the S&P closed negative, dropping by 0.94%. The U.S. dollar gained versus most of the majors as investors sought refuge after U.S. job growth fell short of forecasts, and the European Central Bank said the region's economy still faces risks. U.S. payrolls increased by 80,000 jobs last month versus of economists projected 100,000. The U.S. jobs data came a day after the European Central Bank cut interest rates, further dampening the euro's appeal, and China and the Bank of England announced more monetary easing. As a result, investors preferred the green buck as a safe haven. The euro-dollar pair traded with a low of 1.2256 and with a high of 1.24. Today, Centix investor confidence is expected with minus 26.0 versus minus 28.9 previously, and ECB President Draghi is expected to speak. With the pound, the trend for the pair remains bearish if it maintains its resistance level of 1.5540, and it may test its strong support level of 1.5460 once again. In addition, according to the moving average tool, the trend remains bearish. Today, MPC member Tucker is expected to speak. Finally, in commodities, gold fell by 1.60%, the most in a week, closing at $1,578 an ounce, and crude oil fell for a second day by 3.20%, closing at $84.25 a barrel. Well, that's it for today. I'm Tony Christopher for the Daily Outlook. Be sure to find out more at ufxmarkets.com.